Yo, what up, what up? It's been a while since I recorded a driving video, so I'm not really sure what I'm going to cover today, but just the thing I can think of right now is just giving you an update of what's been happening. So I looked at my Excel spreadsheet, and over the past 30 days, I have spoken to over 100 people. So 100 meetings. It's either on the phone, Zoom, face-to-face. I've done 100 meetings, and I just finished a meeting now. I'm about to get some lunch. You got another meeting after lunch. You got another one in the afternoon as well. So, so my day really is comprised of about 4 to 5 meetings per day. So it's really crazy. And how do you get, like, why is it important to book your meetings? Well, number one is, you got to have a full calendar. You got to have every day. You got to be seeing someone, having meetings, so forth, right? Don't leave any empty space on your calendar. So in order to fill up your calendar, obviously the reason why you want to have a full calendar is because the more people that you see, the more chances of you going to close a deal. That's all it is. If you just see one person, then you're not going to really have a lot of probability of closing that one person. But if you see 100 people, then you're going to be getting deals left, right, and center. Okay, so always be facing as many people as possible. And now, in order to achieve that, you need to be able to book your calendar. So in order to book your calendar, fill up your calendar, make sure that you prospect every single day. So what I do is I always make sure that I reach out to at least 100 people per day. So I could be sending out 100 emails, could be sending out 100 applications, or submitting 100 tenders, whatever it is. 100, 100, 100. Okay, just do it every single day, and your phone is going to absolutely blow up, and you're going to have so many leads you can't even track all of it. I can't track all these leads right now. There was another video that I did. I was just showing you all these people that was just calling me. It was just ridiculous. But you got to be prospecting every single day, and when you do that, you're going to get really good. You're going to get really good because when you meet with people, something happens. You get really good at selling. You know how to face people, how to say things, you know how to present yourself, your body language, everything just comes into place, and that really plays a big role in terms of sales. So I want to keep this short because I'm about to turn into a car park. It's going to get a bit dark right now. I'm about to get some lunch, but yeah, make sure that you're prospecting every single day. Oh, another big tip I want to share with you is make sure that you're not drinking any alcohol. You're not eating junk food, and you're going to the gym every day. Okay, I know it's asking a lot, but if you really want to do this, if you really want to make it in sales and like just operate at 10x levels, you got to be doing that stuff, man. You got to be. Don't drink alcohol during the week. Okay, don't eat junk food. You want to be going to the gym every day, work your weights, and get plenty of sleep as well. Get at least 7 hours, 8 hours sleep. Work on your sleep. I always say this. I've got another video on my channel talks about the importance of sleep. Go check it out. But yeah, get those 3 things: prospect, get energies level up by exercising, gym, and just do it every day. Keep full pipeline, and then soon you're going to be closing these big deals. All right. So hope you like this video, and yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, yo. Bye.